Hiccups so funny. Hiccups so funny. Hiccups so funny and real choky. And Joey just like candy. And Hiccups are so silly. Every time I eat Jello, when I get them from Publix, I get every time I Hiccups are silly. If they want to, Hiccups are silly. Just when they come up. They come up. Ooh, Hiccup! Silly Hiccups are coming! Hiccups are so funny! We can make it one Hiccup! Hiccups! Silly Hiccups are coming! Hiccups! Hiccups are so funny! Hiccups! Hiccups are here! Hiccups are so here! Hiccups are silly! Hiccups are so silly! I gotta see you, Bobies. I gotta see you, buddies. I gotta see you, Bobies. Better gonna go with Hiccups before I do it. If there was no Hiccups, I will that Jello.
You probably ate too much Jello.
If I do, Mom.
You have to eat your regular food first before you can eat snacks like Jello.
Those are not snacks.
Three cups of Jello is a bit much, okay?
Yeah.
Too much Jello.
I
didn't say you could eat all 3 of them.
Hiccups are so silly. Hiccups are so silly. When they come up, I have silly hiccups. Silly hiccups are so funny.
Are you going to eat all the Jello next time Mommy buys the Jello?
Hiccups! Silly hiccups are coming! Silly hiccups. Hiccups are coming. I think they're really silly. When they're silly, I have hiccups every day. Every day I sleep with hiccups. Every day, rabbits. Rabbits are so jump like rabbit. I can't wait to get something like Hiccups. Hiccups are so silly. Because my animals are so hungry when they get that old. My animals get that.
Your animals?
They get like little kids. Yes. When they grow little. When they grow little, they grow little. I think Hiccups are so silly too.
You ate too much Jello.
Hiccups are so silly. When Hiccups get out, Hiccups are fine.
Still got the hiccups?
The hiccups.
You had them for a while.
Huh?
You had them for a while.
You hear silly hiccups.
Maybe drink some water.
When
Maybe
you
get some water or something.
Mom, when you're sleeping, you hear hiccups.
No, I don't have the hiccups. I don't eat too much Jello like you.
Well, hiccups are so silly. When they're silly, and hiccups are so silly. Hiccups are so silly.